a student from UITM. We are going to present about supply chain of management Royal Selangor. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nur Azlini Shafira binti Azli.
My name is Muhammad Nikman Zulkifli.
My name is Fatin Akila.
My name is Fatin Betty Darwis.
My name is Nur Shahmi bin Masazali.
Let's begin our presentation.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nikman. I will present about the supply chain in the Royal Selangor. Okay. I will proceed the first slide. This is about the supply chain of Royal Selangor. Royal Selangor is one of the world's largest pewter manufacturers. Royal Selangor high quality cast pewter consists of 92% or to 97% of tin, with a small proportion of copper and antimony added to strengthen the alloy. That is the highest international standard for pewter. The processing in the Royal Selangor. First, hammering process, machine polishing, buffing, soldering, scotching, filling, and lastly is the casting. About the store locator of Royal Selangor. Royal Selangor export to more than 20 countries that through its official website, where shopper can browse its full collection and place order from everywhere in the world, and has store in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, China, and Australia, but the main production is in Malaysia.
Hi, I'm Lini. I'm going to talk about the sourcing issues of Royal Selangor.
Royal Selangor need to design an efficient supply chain system to effectually compete in the market. It can provide competitive advantages and also give benefits to the company. There are three supply chain management systems, which is supply chain inventory, distribution network, and product design characteristic. For supply chain inventory, since Royal Selangor is the manufacturer for their product itself, so they minimize their inventory to reduce inventory carrying costs. Royal Selangor distribution network is to the reputable retailer around the world. The company has more than 40 shops. They use a fast transportation mode to provide fast and efficient service to their customers. Royal Selangor choose to use external sources for a few components in producing their products. There are few parts or components of the product that they purchase from external sources. For example, glass that they make a high clarity glass is from Poland, ceramic from China to make a teacups, and leather from Indian, and great leather to make a personal accessories such as leather belt.
Hi, my name is Fatin Akila. I will explaining about the supply chain management at Royal Selangor. Let's begin with the first slide. The sourcing strategy that practices by Royal Selangor Company is by developing vertical integration. Vertical integration is a type of sourcing strategy which means that the company developed the ability to produce the product that have been purchased or acquire a supplier or distributor. The integration can happen through two ways, which is forward integration and backward integration. Backward integration means that the company take over the suppliers to ensure that the supplies are reliable and economical. The Royal Selangor product manufacturing is held at Tapak, Kuala Lumpur. The company have about 250 skilled craft people and a 40-strong in-house design team. Next is forward integration. Is when company taking over the role of the distributor to give the best service to the customer. Royal Selangor Company owns the retail branches, which includes from inside and outside of the country. The company headquarters is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Royal Selangor also have standalone stores in top retail capitals around the world.
Hi, my name is Fatin Betty Darwis. I will present about supply chain risk at Royal Selangor. Now we proceed to the first slide. What is supply chain risk? Supply risk is defined as the probability of an incident associated with inbound supply from individual supplier failure or the supply market occurring in which its outcome result in inability of the purchasing firm to meet customer demand or cost threat to customer life and safety. We continue to the risk of Royal Selangor as supply chains. First, delivery failure. As supply chain, sometimes Royal Selangor may fail to deliver the product to the customer on time. This is because of they cannot finish the product according to the estimated time they required to. Next is quality issue. Even though Royal Selangor have a good reputation on their quality, but the issue may be arise if they take for granted. The third one is distribution problem. They will also face problem to export their product internationally, which may face challenge in misdirect of goods, pilferage, strike by airport and cheap part workers. The last one is theft, vandalism and violence. The product can be missing and be stolen because the product are valuable and in high price. Next, we will continue to the method to prevent the supply chain risk. The first one is delivery failure, second one is quality issue, the third one is distribution problem, and the last one is the theft, vandalism and violence.
Hi, I am Shahmi bin Nasazali, and I will talk about the supply base of Royal Selangor. Okay, first of all, for the Royal Selangor supply base, Royal Selangor manage the supply in the supply base through contract and purchasing of part, material and services. The Royal Selangor was selecting and managing his own supply demand to their company. It is involved with 4-stage supplier evaluation that collect information to determine the supply demand are the best to meet the company requirement are. First, technical ability. The Royal Selangor evaluating supply with technical ability that needed to perform specific tasks. They design a product like Star Wars collection. Next, production capability. It's fulfilled with ability to produce consistently with minimum of defect is according to the quantity and quality need. Next, Royal Selangor has a variety of supplier that makes the company very good reputation and outstanding stable beside well-known financial position to supply the product. Lastly, the location of supplier. Location of Royal Selangor at Tapak Indah is the place that supply to be obtained and manufactured, so it takes short time to be delivery and reduce high cost of shipping. For the supplier development, the Royal Selangor ensure process include the activities of supply training, engineering and production, and information sharing is being made.
That's all from us. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for your time and
Please watch again.
like, give it a thumbs up.